Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to fix Candy Crush Saga login problems. If you're having trouble logging into Candy Crush Saga, then here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to fix the issue. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, close the game completely and restart it again. Drag upwards from the bottom of the screen while you are inside the Candy Crush Saga application, which will bring up the app switcher on the screen. Now push upwards on the app card and you will then be able to force close Candy Crush Saga. Once you force closed the application, launch it open again, and after restarting the app, you might be able to fix your login issue. Try logging into your account again and see if that fixes it. Ensure that both your Candy Crush Saga application and your device's operating system are up to date as well. First of all, let's check the Candy Crush Saga application update. Tap open your Google Play Store or your App Store first. And then in the search box, type in Candy Crush Saga. Within the search results, look for the application and check if there is an update button available within it. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga on your mobile device. Once you install the application, tap on Open to launch open the app. Once you have updated the Candy Crush Saga application, now the next thing you would want to do is to check for your operating system update. Launch Open Settings application on your mobile device, and within the settings menu, if you are using Android device, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Software Update button. If you are using iOS device, go to the General tab at the bottom and tap on it. Inside General tab, tap on Software Update. Now, if you have an update for your operating system yet to be downloaded, you will be able to see it right here on the screen. Simply tap on the Update button, or you can also schedule an update. And once you have the latest version of your operating system, you might be able to fix your login issue. So those were some of the fixes you could take in order to fix your Candy Crush Saga login problems. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.